Hey guys, as you can hear, I've got the Pathe receiver playing again, just watching the voltage itself, the voltage drop that is across the field coil that I rewound, and I've just got a little 5-watt resistor tacked in over to the side, you can see, to add some additional resistance there. Anyway, the RF alignment is not complete. Of course, that's straightforward, just the 2 adjustments there on the trimmers on the tuning condenser. Anyway, it is playing again. More to come later. I still need to validate all the plate and grid voltages as well, just to make sure that everything's where it should be. And of course, get a line cord placed on, and then I can move on to the cabinet repairs that need to be made and wrap up on this. Thanks for watching to this point. Everyone take care. Stay well.